Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the KingEMA 21-55 zone indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the KingEMA 21-55 zone indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 46 different strategies, with 12 of them being profitable. We have also tested a total of 509 indicators, with 211 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. Keep in mind that we test all these strategies and indicators on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the KingEMA 21-55 zone indicator, and you can see it here on screen. And so what we are looking for is kind of a two-part setup. So when price is trading above the cloud, I'll call this area, this grayed out area, the cloud. When price is trading above the cloud, we are then looking for one of these little arrows right here, green arrows pointing to the upside. That will be a signal to go long. When the price action is trading below the cloud, then we are looking for one of these little red arrows pointing down to then go short. That's the setup we're looking for. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing and see what we can get out of this. Alright, so our first signal we pick up was right here, was a short signal. You can see that we get a little bit of a pullback to the upside, but then a nice little drop to the downside on this candle, which does end up hitting our take profit. You can see that price action rode sideways in consolidation for a good amount of time, and this indicator kind of kept us out of it, which seems to be a decent thing. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, our second signal right here is a long signal, and you can see pretty easily price action, well, kind of rode sideways there for a moment, but then spiked to the upside pretty nicely there. That one also got us to take profit. Let's go ahead and finish out the rest of the year. All right, that puts us at the end of the year right there. Now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, and trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they are entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, a whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested. We've recently had that transferred over into an Excel sheet, so you'll get the Excel sheet and the PDF of all those indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones are losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones are losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual strategies and those individual videos. And lastly, another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. And we are working on turning those into trading bots as well. Once we have that all worked out, we'll be offering those to the patrons also. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, so counting these out, pretty easy. We had two signals and both of those were winners, and so that is going to put us at the 100% marker. Obviously, 2 trades in 1 year's time is not a it's not a wonderful amount of trades by no means. I'd be interested in seeing what this is able to do on a lower time frame, but even at that, the trades that it did give were pretty significantly decent trades if we were able to ride them out all the way. But nonetheless, we will put this one on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.